very, very focused on finishing La Dino. Like, picture and be like, do 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 do. Jal, thank you for that. Like a little like dinosaur storyboard. There was once a dinosaur who was blue and rainbow. Do, do, do. So his spines are all kind of wobbly and wonky. Because I was learning what I was doing. His markings are organic. Because we want to teach my nephew that it's not all about symmetry and being perfect. We want him to understand that nature doesn't act like that. Even though I keep trying to strangle the dinosaur to make him draw me like one of your French dinosaurs. Anyway, I think I'm a little delirious. My fingers frickin' hurt. I'm like, this finger is probably about ready to fall off. But I'm very happy with this. So I'm gonna take, no, he had one and it looked terrible. It looked like, okay, it didn't look terrible. The one on his head looked like a hat or like he was wearing like a skull cap. And it was just a bit weird. So I took it off. I am very proud of it. I'm very pleased. So tomorrow I'm gonna stop tweaking with it. Right? It just, like the hat one just looked weird. It's to cover up that join. Yeah, it looks a bit like a bowler hat, but Alibi taught me how to make that look tidy. So I wasn't too worried about that. So we just have to hope that it holds up to a 3-year-old, like, Arrgh. It's a head banging dino. So yeah. So we're gonna do a photo shoot tomorrow, me and my dinosaur. And I will post. It's a different streaming service. I will be sure to post some pictures. Plenty of pictures on Insta and Twitter and in Discord. We're done. Okay. So who's on now? Like, I'm not gonna stop. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna fall out of my chair. Yes, so I don't stream on Mondays or Tuesdays, which is good because I don't think I can. 3 bows to go? Okay. So yeah, I take Mondays and Tuesdays off, and then Wednesday evening I will be on over at Gamepedia, which is... Why is my Stream Deck not working? Not Stream Deck. I'm not fancy like that. I'll be over at that channel. But technically I am. You're right. Wait, I am. Wednesday evening at 7 PM Eastern, I will be over on that channel streaming Ooblets. They are Wolfie. And then... Like basically my week starts. I used to do Wednesday afternoon stream, but it felt kind of weird to do like a short stream and then hop over to Gamepedia. So I just give myself that extra afternoon. So Wednesday evening Ooblets on Gamepedia, and then it'll be off. So the next project I'll be working on will be the Bumbling Hex blanket. Which I don't think I have a command for. Here, I have that. I can do that. The Bumbling Hex blanket is a community project that we started earlier in the year. So we're working on that. I also have a dinosaur to finish, and I feel like that's going to be a lot easier after doing this. So those will be my 2 projects for next week. That'll probably take the next month or so. And then I will be also streaming Final Fantasy 14 and I don't know, other stuff. I am so rambly right now, and I can't stop playing with the dinosaur. I can't stop fidgeting with it. I can't even talk. Okay, so who's on right now? Let's look for someone fun to raid. I'm open to suggestions. Veggie, thank you so much for that follow. I would say I'm not normally this kind of scatterbrained, but I kind of am. I don't normally do 11-hour streams, but I kind of do sometimes. That. I just heard the weirdest noise. If anyone has someone they would like me to raid, or see. Otherwise, I would just raid my friend. What is that? I'm hearing some weird noises. Do we want to watch Rocket Arena or The Long Dark? Rocket Arena is by a partner streamer, but she's really lovely. And she's in New Zealand. And The Long Dark is by a guy that I really just enjoy picking on. I don't know what she's doing. I have no idea what she's up to. Cute. We'll raid Littles. Why not? Thank you. I really appreciate everyone hanging out with me tonight and keeping me company and entertaining me. We did a lot of laughing and had some weird ass conversations, which is perfect. Okay, we're raiding Littles. She's playing Rocket Arena. She is cute as heck. She now lives in New Zealand. She's Aussie, but she lives in New Zealand, which makes her like a million times better. I will see you guys in a couple of days. Keep an eye out on Twitter and stuff for pics of this bad boy doing dino adventures. assuming my fingers work. There will be plenty more, Veggie, plenty more if you come back. Thank you, thank you. I kind of, like, I'm on a roll. I kind of don't want to end, but I kind of need to because I'm tired and I also really need to wee. Which is a really good reason to stop. Yeah, that happened. Had some weird quotes as well. Something to do with butts. Alright, I'm off. Good night, be well, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye!